before we start replacing this fuel filler door, I want to note that when it first comes, it's going to be unpainted. So if you want to color match it, now is the time. I'm only going to show you how to install it, not how to paint it. So open this one with a T30 Torx, remove these 2 screws that hold it in. I'm going to remove this clip here, which is hopefully going to help me get more space. There you have it. Just once you remove this clip, you can push this in. And here's your old fuel cap door. Take the new one and slide it in. The same way that you took the old one off. Insert your 2 screws, tighten it up. And now you can put this little push pin back, lock it in place, and off you go.